Juliet?
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little.
Punks are dead, dude. Get real.
My mohawk, you dirty slut! I'm loving this shit! If you pissed your pants! Your pain is my art! Fuck! Bring it on!
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Fuck! Join me on stage for a death jam! Ow! Stupid goose! Yeah!
Almost there.
Oh shit! That was actually hurt a little bit. Die! I'm gonna pull your ponytail out the front of your face! Your pain is my heart! Bitch!
He's trying to kill us?
I can't wait to see you die! Take this, whore!
He's trying to kill us?
It's your good alone!
And a finish. Fucking giant letter bullshit.
I'm not done screaming yet! Oh, it really fucking hurts, man! Oh!
Jeez, so emo.
Juliet! You did it!
Mr. Morikawa.
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead. The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith you can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too. have this for you, Juliet. Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Sensei!
Now that's a sweet ride.